Hello everyone, welcome to my channel World of AWS. I hope you all are doing good. So we are continuing with the Linux tutorial for a DevOps engineer. Okay, so we are this is the fourth video of Linux tutorial. You can check the previous videos if you haven't watched that. Okay, so now we are going to discuss top command. Okay, top command of Linux. So top, it gives the system resources uses in real time. So let me run it. Top. So you can see the system resources uses in the real time, top command. And let's cancel it. If we want to check the memory, okay, free hyphen m. So we can check the memory like free hyphen m. So we will getting the output like this. Total this much is available, used this much is getting used, how much is free, how much volume is shared. And you can also use free, sorry, df hyphen h. Okay, you can also see the uses of all the memory and all the metrics, the volume and everything. The spaces you can see using df hyphen h command. Okay, so now let's come to ps command, give information about running processes. Okay, so now let's run ps command. So you can see process id, okay, and tty and time cmd. Okay, so process id it's saying 38338, we can check like this. And if we want to kill any process, then just we have to use kill, and we have to mention the process id, that's it, and it will kill the process. So and now we have another command df. Okay, so df command give the disk space uses. So just run df, and you can see the disk space uses here. So how much disk is available, how much disk is getting used, and so on, you can check using df command. So free command give the system memory usage. You can just run free, and it will give the system memory uses, and whatever memory is available, so it will show. Uname hyphen u display the system name. So let's try it. Uname hyphen u, let's see. So mm, sorry, what is that? Uname hyphen u, then why it's not fronting? Uname hyphen u. So uname use it's giving linux system. Okay, so you can run uname. Sorry, I was using something wrong, sorry. Uname hyphen a, we need to run uname hyphen a. So you can see the system name linux VLR. This one is my company laptop, so it's showing the like that. So ping, here is we have one command ping. If you want to check any endpoint or something like that is working or not, then we need to use the ping command. So let's ping youtube.com. Okay, so ping youtube.com. Okay, so see, youtube is getting pinged, means it means youtube site is available and it's working fine. So now go to SSH. So whenever we want to do SSH to any host, okay, so we need to uh, use like this. Let's cancel this first. So SSH, the username, like if you have Ubuntu, then Ubuntu, and at the rate, sorry, at the rate, and IP address, public IP address of the system, like 12.23.60.112, something like that you are going to. But in this case, your SSH key pair should be available on that server, so that you can only log in. Or otherwise, if you have key pair, then you can log in using putty, or you can log in using this terminal as well. I will show you in the upcoming video that will that as well, like what are the daily activities of a DevOps engineer. In that video I will cover this topic, how we can create SSH key, and how we can add those SSH key, and how we can log in using the SSH key, and how we can log in using the key pair. Okay, key pair of any server. So I will cover in that. So here we have one command, SCP. Okay, so using SCP command we can copy the files and whatever directory from local to remote, or remote to local. Okay, so I am here only on local, so I can't show you. Whenever I will show like making video on any server, then I will cover that topic, because I don't have any running server right now. So user and group management command we have now. Okay, so user add username. Okay, this will add a new user. So let's try this. So user add test. Okay, so now we have to log in first as a root user. Okay, now we have to run user and test. Let's see. So here the user all get added here already. So let's see. And password for username, change the password for the username, cat etc to view all users. Let's see this. Sorry, let's see. cd/etc. Okay, do ls. Here we have a file user. So let me find it. The user. What was the path? etc password. Okay, so here we have like any, yeah, here we have, so cat password. So here we can see that test user, right? Here we can see the test user. So this the user got added here. Group add, it will create a new group, cat etc group. So group add, group name, like if you want to create group add dev, let's see. So it's got added. Now we can check cat etc group. Let's see. So cat gr. So here we can see the dev group, right? Here we can see the dev group. Let me see again. So here you can see the dev group, right? And let's go back to the document again, and g password hyphen a username, g group name, add a single user to the group. So we use this command to add a single user to a group. So let's see. So I have created user called test, right? G password hyphen a username we have test, right? And group name we have dev, right? So it will add test user to dev group. Just hit enter. Adding user test to group dev, right? So test user already got added to dev group. So add multiple user to group. So we can use group add hyphen caps m user 1 user 2 and group name, right? And here we have another command, g password hyphen a username group name, create an admin of the group. So using this command we can create admin of any group, g password hyphen d username and group name. So delete the user from the group. So let me show you. I am going to delete it. G password, okay, sorry, password hyphen d test, and we have created dev. So reviewing user test from group dev del user username. This will delete a user account. So let me delete the user account. Del user, so let user del, let me just use arrow and dev. Okay, so dev is a group, not a user. Okay, so we can use del user, then username that we want to delete. Chmod, now we have command like file permission chmod. So whenever we are going to change any file permission, then we have to use command like chmod, then 755. It will give all permission to that specific user. Then like the file name we want to give this read write or whatever permission is required, so we can give it, right? So let's discuss about this file permission first. So we have three type of permission here, right? Read write execute. Write sorry read write execute. Write sorry read write execute. So we have three type of permissions. So R read, W write, and X execute. So owner type of permission, they have always read, write, and execute. So for group level access we use read, write, execute, and for others read, write, execute, and we can change it according to our requirement exactly. So type of file or directory, owner, they are the owner of the file. Group, permission for group, other, permission for other users. Example, you might have used the share button in a Word, right, document. So that kind of thing. So here we have defined the permission policy. Okay, so you need to remember this. So 4 to 1. Okay, so 0 means no permission. If we are going to use 000, then the file have no permission, right? If you are going to use 1, then they have only execute permission. If we are going to use W in the middle, then they have only write permission. If we are going to use W and X, then they will write and execute. If we are going to use R only, then 00, they have only read permission. So if we are going to use R, then 0, then X. So it's not 0, it means 2. So read and execute. So according to that you can just remember these things. Okay, so let's take example. Here ls hyphen lh grapefruit.txt. Here we have read sorry read and write, and read only. So this is for owner, this is for group, and this is for user. Okay, so yeah, we'll talk about this more in another video, because I don't want to make this video too long. So I hope you found this video informative and helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if you are new to my channel, then please check out my playlist. I have created AWS from scratch, and you can learn easily. I have created in the simple way, as much simple I can manage it. So I have created in the simple way. So thanks. If you have any query, then please put them in the comment section. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.